Ebyabaho mu rutama rw'Eishengyero rwabahere izoba kandi rwakorera mukuru w'empanuro z'Eishengyero Anita Among. Omurutama oru Minisita w'ebyokwerinda Jacob Oboth yashoborera enshonga habwenki barikutwara amahe ga UPDF omuri South Sudan.
South Sudan mu kusaba kwaffe tusinzidde ku byawandikibwa ku mateeka Article 98(1) ne Article 2010 ya Constitution ne Section 39 and 38 and 39 okulaba nti tetwetaaga okufuna nti tufuneyo ratification nti wano batuwe olukusa tekyetaagisibwa mu mateeka.
Omwombanyi Eishengyero yaasiima entebeekanisa egi ahabwa obulungi bw'ihanga lya South Sudan eriri aha murranwa.
And putting politics aside on this matter, Honorable Speaker, anyone who comes from the north, especially Acholi and West Nile, would highly support the deployment of the UPDF inside South Sudan.
Beitu hina bagira ngo kutwara omuri South Sudan tikiri kwetagisa.
South Sudan kigwira abokuba nyondyo mushaho waza ku treating endwara urabanza wakora history okole examination wamara ubone diagnosis wamara kubona diagnosis ubone ku treating endwara torareba umanyiso symptoms umuntu ngwajara kugambira ati no mushije toramanya yaba rwire malaria yaba rwire pneumonia yaba mushije gura rwo mu kirukano utinyona akumbaza gwa malaria hati South Sudan bamazire myaka bamazire umwaka gumwe neceka batarashashura emishoro y'abasirikare.
Security issue of diplomacy, issue of our relationship. I now want to put a question that the motion for a resolution of Parliament to support the deployment of the Uganda People Defense Forces in the Republic of South Sudan under the Memorandum of Understanding on Defense Cooperation and status of forces agreement executed between the Republic of Uganda and the Republic of South Sudan.
Omurutama rumwe Eishengyero ryahinguza loan ya milioni 190 omusente za America okushashura bumeme bwanyuma ya contract yabo okwayo.
Twahinguza loan ya umeme of course ahabukuba nangwa cyaba yabegumire ahabukuba buyout bakazikora kubi bayeyendeza so aha misho batahananka aha pressure
gasha kwa Jime Muhumza.